there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today, I'm making a Flying Finch card with cheerful daisies. Let's get started.
Start with a piece of 11 by 6 1/4 inch balmy blue cardstock. I'm scoring it at 1 1/2 inches, 2 3/4 inches, and 4 5/8 inches. Then cut in half to measure 5 1/2 by 6 1/4 inches. Then score the 1 1/2 inch score line as a mountain fold and the other 2 score lines as valley folds. And repeat on the other piece. 1 1/2 inch score line is the mountain fold and the other 2 are valley folds. Position the pieces so that the 2 valley folds butt up next to each other. Then I applied 2 pieces of tear and tape to hold the cardstock together. Remove the liners and add more adhesive. Then I pressed a 3 1/2 by 5 1/2 inch copper clay cardstock piece in place. I matted a 3 1/4 by 5 1/4 piece of balmy blue cardstock with a piece of 3 by 5 inch fresh as a daisy DSP. Then I adhered all of that to the centerpiece. Off camera, I embossed 2 pieces of copper clay cardstock 1 1/4 by 5 1/4 inches with the crosshatch basic embossing folder. Then I adhered these one on each side of the center panel. I cut a message panel 3 1/4 by 4 1/2 inches and stamped a daisy on it. I adhered it to the center back and gently creased it. I die cut a label and daisy pieces, as well as the main daisy part and more leaves. I adhered the copper clay label with dimensionals towards the bottom left side. I tidied up the daisy base with my snips and put the die cut centers back into the leaves. Pieces of tear and tape hold them in place. Then I sponged on lemon lolly, crushed curry, and wild wheat to mimic the flowers on the DSP. Daisy assembly is next. I used glue dots on the balmy blue and pretty peacock foliage. I applied adhesive to the back of the daisy before zigzagging ribbon behind it. Dimensionals pop it up and the card is done. Fold in the wings to mail and extend them for display. Find written instructions over my blog at If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!